Alright, hold on, wait.
Come on, dude. Nervous as this is. Ready?
Yeah.
Shit, fuck me!
Damn! I can't hear in this ear.
You think they saw it?
What?
You think they saw it?
I hope they saw it.
Oh my god.
Is that a flare?
Holy
Yes.
fuck.
That's a flare?
Yes.
God. Yes, that is a legitimate flare.
We might want to go back inside then.
Nah, I think you're gonna come. Wow, that thing burned. Look at this going. You can see that from over like 30 miles away.
Everybody's like, what the fuck? He just next to you. Cops show up out of nowhere.
I can't hear in this ear.